Hi, I'm Clayton Paddison with Furuno Tech Support, and today we're talking about the GP1871 and 1971F small plotters and about data. We all know that data is important, from position, course, speed, depth, heading, you name it. It's all important. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up a data box so you can display exactly what data you guys want. Now to do that, we have our data boxes shown here on the left side of the screen. I can touch and hold on any one of these, and it will give us a couple of different options to delete this box, add a new one, or we can edit what's in this box currently with anything that's on this list, and we can make it either text or graph. So say for example I want to display heading in there. Now I've changed it and now we're showing heading. So say for example I also want to change this to a graphical display, and we're going to show speed over ground in it. Now I've converted it. Now we have a digital box with a little graphical representation of speed rather than numbers. Now say for example I want to hide or show these. I can hide these data boxes by simply swiping to the left to hide them off the screen, or I can swipe in from the left and bring them back up again.